Welcome to Phuket Old Town, one of the most beautiful and historic places in Thailand. Let's explore its colorful streets and rich cultural heritage.
Phuket Old Town is famous for its charming Sino-Portuguese architecture, built more than a century ago during the island's tin mining era.
As you walk through the streets, you'll see colorful buildings decorated with unique windows, balconies, and artistic details. Many old houses have been transformed into cozy cafés, restaurants, and boutique shops loved by visitors.
Street art can be found throughout the town, adding creativity and modern charm to this historic destination.
Phuket Old Town is a perfect place for photography, offering beautiful scenery around every corner. Whether you love history, culture, food, or architecture, Phuket Old Town is a destination you should never miss.